How's it going? I guess you're not going to see me. Working on a 2004 Kia Sorento 3.5, I guess these things are. Does it say up there? Yep, 3.5. Going to be putting a new timing belt on it. And what started the mischief was right down there. These things have a horrible problem with stripping out the crankshaft bolt or breaking it off. Take your pick, whichever is easier for it to do. So it pretty much destroyed the harmonic balancer. And when the process of that, I'll walk over here. This is the old crankshaft pulley. I broke it, the back of it off, getting it off, but as you can see right here, that is supposed to look like this. You see that nice little pin sticking out of it? So I tried to drill that out, broke it off. It's not coming out of there, no way, no freaking how. This piece here isn't very expensive. That's your reluctor gear. I hope they didn't bend that thing in shipping. Looks a little bent. Maybe it's supposed to be that way. I have no idea. We'll find out the hard way together. Anyway, had to get a new one of these, and well, let's just say, I know it's freezing cold, getting ready to, sun's going down out here in Colorado. And I cut this, it didn't break, but let's get under the light. Fire's going out, dang it. Yep, I don't want to throw any more wood in there because I'm going in. I've frankly had quite enough. Anyway, you see that? That is not good. So maybe it was a blessing that this happened, because as soon as I saw that, this belongs to a friend of mine that we get all of our eggs from. This is what a new one looks like. And look, you know, that's bent. Well, I'm sorry, you guys. This stupid thing. I get my regular camera back out here, you know. Anyway, there's no cracks. That's what I'm getting at. No cracks. So, we'll get that put on, get this thing buttoned up, get it out of our life, and move on to bigger and better things, because believe me, I have 2 other jobs outside that I need to get on. One is a 5.4 Ford 3-valve Triton, whatever you call them stupid things, garbage, that the rocker arm, they call them a follower on those things, decided to destroy itself, and you know, had a misfire. Somebody told them it was the catalytic converter was plugged. Wanted $3,000 to do that, and I'm like, no, that isn't it. Anyway, gonna rebuild the bottom end of the motor and put a new head on it. We just haven't got that far, and he's had some medical issues, and I'm not sure he'll ever be able to drive it again. I don't really know. I hope so. And another one we have out there belongs to my neighbor. It's a 2007, which is an oddball year, Yukon Denali, Envoy Denali, that's what it is. It's a V8, nice little rig. Got some wiring grumbling. And it's coming down to me stripping the harness off it and putting something else on there, I think. So we got that coming up. Plus outside we got some other projects. I have an 89 original body style Chevy pickup that I want to drop an LS motor into. Maybe we can still see. There's my wood pile. It's not too cold today, and I made a bit of a dent in it. Gotta kind of watch where we're going, or we're gonna fall and break our butt. You know, right there. Kind of hard to see, guys. I'm apologizing. I got a late start. That's a 68, 69 Chevy pickup. We're gonna shorten the frame and make a short bed out of it. That pile of truck is the Hillbilly Deluxe. We're going to pull the LS motor out of that thing and probably put it in here or into this. You can't really see it too good. Sorry. Maybe we'll get out here tomorrow at a decent hour. Well, actually, I've been out here for a long time, but I just decided, look at the sunset, guys. Look at that. Think about Colorado. You got some beautiful skies. Anyway, here's this truck. This was a long bed that I made into a short bed. I know, I apologize. You know, I'm just going to quit apologizing and wind this up. There's the rest of the, you know, there's the Envoy Denali over there. So, anyway, guys, we'll check in tomorrow and we'll see where we end up on this thing. If you're a new person coming to my channel, welcome. And if you're an old person, well, I'm an old person. If you're an old person, welcome back. And like, subscribe, share, comment, and but most of all, just watch. Thanks. Have a good night.